Welcome to VIADS. In this video we will cover account creation. In VIADS there are two types of accounts, guest accounts and registered accounts. Guest accounts last 24 hours and cannot be re-entered once you leave VIADS. Guest accounts can be created by following the guest account link. From here, click the I'm not a robot box and press submit. That's it, now you're ready to use VIADS. The other type of account is a registered account. Registered accounts are permanent. To create a registered account, follow the Create Account link. Next, you must fill out the username, email, and password fields. The password must be a strong password with at least 8 characters. The rest of the fields are optional. Click the I'm not a robot box and the Submit button. Now that your account has been created, you must go to the email you entered to verify your account. Click the link in the email and log in to VIADS.